I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
The Guitarron is a 6-string acoustic bass that supplies low-end rhythm and melody in mariachi and folk styles. Start by sitting with the body vertical, angled toward your right hip so the soundboard faces the group and your wrist stays straight. Spend 15 minutes tuning, checking open strings and relative intervals before playing. Rest the instrument's lower bout on your thigh and hold the neck lightly. Use the thumb for primary downstrokes and the other fingers for upstrokes to control attack and sustain while keeping your wrist relaxed. Develop a simple pulse by playing root notes on beats 1 and 3 and adding syncopated fills on beats 2 and 4 to create forward motion. Practice steady alternating thumb strokes to lock in with a metronome set between 60 and 120 BPM, increasing speed only when clean. Use the heel of your palm or the side of your thumb to damp strings for shorter sustain and percussive accents. Mute unwanted notes by lightly touching strings with the left hand when changing positions. Build independence between thumb and fingers with slow, even repetitions. Map chord roots on the fretboard and practice connecting them with 1-octave bass runs and walking patterns to smoothly voice changes. Begin each practice with a 30-minute routine, 5 minutes warm-up, 10 minutes thumb technique and damping, 10 minutes pattern work and fills, and 5 minutes playing repertoire or along with recordings. Practice common progressions slowly, then at performance tempo, and record yourself to evaluate timing and tone. Play with singers or ensemble tracks regularly to learn phrasing, dynamics, and appropriate space within the arrangement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.